Yo, what's up guys? I am back for another video. As you can see, I'm wearing a tuxedo right now. I don't have my camera woman with me right now, but I am wearing a tuxedo. Okay, I got this wood, like revolver. It takes like Winchester rounds. I'm not gonna show you the ammo because I'm gonna be shooting it like once, but I'm in my basement right now, so like, yeah. So if you want me to shoot this gun twice in another video, make sure I get 10 subscribers, 10 more subscribers, and 1,500,000 likes. Okay, I'm be shooting this right now. 3, 2, 1. This is hard shooting a gun. I'll be right back, guys. Okay, I'm going upstairs right now. See if my dad's home.
Find your solution from a range of trusted products. Doppelax, the science of going.
I'm gonna drink some coffee, guys. I'm going back downstairs. My mom is home though. She's the one who's letting me do this. Shooting her gun. Oh, my dad's gun. My dad finds out, I'm gonna be in trouble. I'm joking, it's not my dad's gun. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Guys, I just shot it. Mom?
What?
Okay. I just did it. Okay, I'm in the laundry room right now. You don't mess with me, kids.
Hey, Dad, I'm not in the mood right now. You got your pants all dirty?
I'm a CEO. I'm a boss to you, right? No, I'm gonna come to your house and kill you if you try to mess with me. If you see me on the internet and you roast me, I'm gonna find you. And this gonna happen. Wait. Ross. Yeah. Ooh. Yeah. Ooh. Yeah. Yeah. Ooh. Okay. If that was loud, you should have turned down the volume. I'm gonna do it one more time. This time, I'm gonna do. Okay. Gonna do it again. Okay. Three, 2, 1. Okay, I'm gonna do it one more time. Wait. Okay. 3, 2, 1. That's gonna happen to you if you try and mess with me. guys. This is what I was using the whole time. It's a cap gun. I bought this at the dollar store. If this was a real gun and shot real ammo, it would do some damage. Okay, that'll be the end of the video. Have a good day. Don't try to mess with me, because that will happen to you. And that wasn't even a real gun. I live in Canada. Yeah. Have a good day. Stay in school, kids. I'm in high school. High school sucks. Do not go to high school. I could drop out right now, but I don't want to. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.